welcome back. So this is our next level of our class for this evening or for today. So we're going to start off top of your mat, and we're going to start off into, they're called sun salutation A's. So bring your toes to touch. We're going to inhale, reach the hands up to the sky, palms are touching, and then exhale, fold forward. Hands can be at your shins or just coming up onto the fingertips. You want a long spine either way, and a long neck. Exhale, fold into your legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Reach the hands up, palms touch, look up. Exhale, swan dive your hands down. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Reach the hands up, palms touch. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Reach the hands up. Exhale, forward fold. This time, lengthen the spine. Palm your mat, bend your knees, step back to high plank. High plank is feet or hips distance width apart. Hands are spread wide. Shift forward on your tippy toes. Come down to chaturanga, which is elbows are in. Roll into the tops of your feet. Upward facing dog. Your thighs are lifted. And then downward facing dog. Hips tilt up as your heels melt down. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Look between your hands. You can step forward, maybe one big step or a couple or a few steps. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach the hands up, palms touch. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift. Palm your mat, and you can either step back or maybe float back into chaturanga, which would be you float back, low plank. Upward facing dog, you'll roll into the tops of your feet. Look up. Downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Last deep breath in. On your exhale, look forward, and you can walk or maybe bend your knees and float your feet between your hands. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Palms touch. Exhale, forward fold. So now whichever one you'd like to do, you can lengthen, maybe step or float back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. 3 breaths here. And that's 2. Last deep breath in. Look forward. You can walk or float your feet between your hands. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Chair pose. Your toes together. Heels can be an inch or 2 apart, depending on your flexibility. Inhale, reach the hand up. This is called chair or Utkatasana. So you tuck the tailbone, it's going straight down. Low belly is lifted. Reach your hands up to the sky. And you don't want to hunch your shoulders together. So spread the fingers. Arms are away from your shoulders. It's like you're sitting into a child's chair. Look up. Exhale, bow. Lengthen your spine. Palm your mat, step or float back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Warrior 1. Left foot is 45-degree angle. Right foot comes forward between your hands. Bend your right knee. Inhale, reach the hands up. Square the hips and breathe. For 3. For 2. And 1. Palm your mat, step back, high plank, low plank, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Left side, left foot comes forward, plant your back foot, and then inhale, reach the hands up, square the hips, look up for 3, 2, and 1. Palm your mat. Step back, high plank to low plank, Upward facing dog, look up. Downward facing dog. Now we're going to hold this one for 5 deep breaths here. So really try to melt the heels down. Spread your fingers wide. Maybe bring your hands closer to the top of your mat and really melt the heels like you're pushing both sides of the mats away from each other. So that's already 3, 2, last deep breath in. Look forward, walk, or float between your hands. Halfway lift. Exhale, bow. Utkatasana. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift. Palm your mat, Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog, inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right side, warrior 1. Plant your feet, then inhale, reach up. Exhale all the way down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog as you exhale. Left side, warrior 1. Start your inhale as soon as you start to come up. Palm your mat, Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale down. Now inhale, look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep breath, inhale. Deep breath, exhale. Look between your hands. Float forward. Halfway lift. Exhale, bow. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold, lengthen, inhale. Palm your mat, Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Right side, warrior 1. Inhale, this time open it out for warrior 2. So your hands spread away from each other. Right hand reaches forward, left hand reaches back. You try to square the hips, open them up. Open up your thighs. Strong arms. Peaceful warrior, left palm is slightly tapping the back of your leg. Inhale, reach up. Palm your mat. Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale it down. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Left side, warrior 1. Inhale up. Now open out, warrior 2. Hands reach away. Open up the hips. Like you're spreading your hips away. You want to make sure that your left knee is at 90-degree angle. Spread your hands. Right hand comes down. Left hand reaches over. Inhale. Cartwheel down. Chaturanga Dandasana. So exhale down. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, look forward, walk or step between your hands. Halfway lift. Exhale, bow. Chair pose, we're going to go with the breath. So inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow. Lengthen as you inhale. Chaturanga on your exhale. Upward facing, inhale. Exhale, downward facing. Right side, warrior 1. Inhale, open out, warrior 2 as you exhale. Peaceful warrior, inhale. Chaturanga Dandasana all the way down as you exhale. Upward facing, inhale. Downward facing, exhale. Left side, warrior 1. Inhale. Open out, exhale. Peaceful warrior, inhale. Chaturanga Dandasana, exhale down. Upward facing, inhale. Downward facing, exhale for 5 deep breaths. Low belly stays lifted for 4. Inhale, exhale, 3, 2, and 1. Look between your hands. Slowly walk or float forward. Halfway lift. And then bow. Now come all the way up. Reach the hands up. Hands to your side. Alright. So that was warm-up number 2. So now you can either finish here or join us for the next time. Thank you.